Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. Y'all already saying that's looking good. Hey, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Creole shrimp burrito. Man, this thing fire. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. I know it seems like a lot. Well, it is a lot, but hey, guys, it's gonna go by pretty quick. We have our shrimp back here. We have some cooked rice here. So this rice is already cooked. So before you start this recipe, make sure you cook your rice. Rinsed and drained black beans here, green bell pepper, onions, some Pica De Gallo, shredded lettuce, Mexican cheese, some Sriracha Sauce, olive oil, lime juice, chives, Creole Seasoning, Mayo, sliced garlic cloves, more Creole Seasoning, Paprika, Cumin, and black pepper. So that's all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna start by creating our Creo Spread. Small dish, we're gonna add our Mayo, our Sriracha Sauce, our lime juice, and our Creole Seasoning. And we're gonna give that a good mix. Man, look at that, that is beautiful there. All right, let's set this aside. Now we're gonna start preparing our shrimp filling. We're gonna turn on our cooktop, and over medium-high heat, we're gonna bring our olive oil up to temperature. And once that oil's up to temperature, we're gonna go in with our onions, our green peppers, and our sliced garlic. And we're gonna cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so after about that 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna go in with our shrimp, our Creole season, black pepper, cumin, and paprika. Throw a little lime juice in here. And we're gonna mix this and cook it for about 4 minutes. All right, guys, so we're about 4 minutes in. Our shrimp are cooked all the way through. We're gonna turn off our heat. I'm just gonna add this to a dish, then we're gonna head over to our cutting board to start building out our burrito, all right? All right, guys, so we're gonna start building out our burrito. Now, the first thing we're gonna add is our rice. This is about 1/4 of a cup. And guys, you wanna make sure that your food is typically in the center, because this is gonna help you fold it properly. Take 1/4 of a cup of beans, 1/4 of our shrimp mixture. And guys, just so you know, we are using flour tortillas, even though I didn't add that in the beginning of our shot. You know the only way you make burritos is with tortillas, so we got tortillas here. Next, we're gonna add our cheese, some lettuce, a little Pica De Gallo. Sprinkle that with some chives and some of our Creo Spread. And guys, this is the fun part, folding this baby up. So again, you wanna make sure that your food is pretty much centered. You're gonna fold these ends in like that. You're gonna take this bottom end that's facing you, and you're gonna fold that over. And you're gonna start tucking this baby in, and then you're gonna continue to fold it like this. And these sides, you wanna bring those babies in like that, and then you wanna continue to roll that baby up. Just like that. And this is what we have, the perfect burrito. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest of them, and then we're gonna come back, all right? All right, guys, so we folded all our burritos, and you already know the next thing we gotta do, man, is we gotta cut into that baby, man. We're gonna cut into this baby. Guys, take a look at that. Oh, man. Hey, let's go ahead and get over to our final presentation so we can jump into quality control. Guys, there we have it. Creole shrimp burritos. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna jump into quality control because we gotta do a test. Let's get to it. Listen, y'all already know it's quality control. We're gonna bring these babies to the front of the congregation so y'all can see them. Oh man, look at that. Woo! Take that baby right there on top. Oh man, we're gonna do it one more time. Oh man. Let's go ahead and try this baby out. Guys, say it with me. Oh man. Oh man. That's what I'm talking about. These some groceries here. Straight groceries. That Creo Spread, fire. Guys, add it. Add it. That's all I'm gonna say. Till the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef. He just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.